If humans achieved faster than light speeds, is it really possible to go back in time? Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that time in the universe varies with the speed at which objects move. If an object is moving close to the speed of light, then the time around him will slow down, and this leads to an interesting conjecture. If humans could really travel faster than light, does that mean we can go back in time and change the course of history? To solve this question, first of all, we need to start with the concept of light. Light is the ring of information dissemination, everything we see. In fact, it all enters our eyes through light. The reason why we can see people, it's because they're all exposed to light. The reason why we can see the stars, it's the light they've been emitting for tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of years. Guangwei Miaoke flies 300,000 kilometers. The moon and our Earth are about 380,000 kilometers apart. A beam of light wants to travel from the Earth back to the moon. It takes about 1.2 seconds. The speed of any object made of matter can only approach the speed of light indefinitely, but never faster than the speed of light. Why is that? The reason is that light has no mass. This means he has no resistance, so he can easily travel through the universe, unrestricted, and any object with mass, its speed of movement will be limited. Think about that. If you could outrun the speed of light, then you can catch up with the light emitted by the Earth 2,000 years ago. You can even see the scene of the battle between Liu Bei and Cao Tao. About time travel, there is also a very famous apocryphal theory. It's called grandfathering. It's about if you could go back in time, killed his grandparents before his father was born, then this move will create a contradiction because you already exist. This means that the grandfather was not killed. This apocryphal theory makes going back in time seem out of reach. The realization of turning back time. In fact, even scientists can't explain whether time can be reversed at all. Time is just a complex concept. It's harder to understand than space. We think we can control time, but really we're just moving forward in the torrent of time. Technology never ends. No one can predict how far human technology will develop in 10,000 years. In fact, whether it is the elderly or children, all share a common dream that's going back in time. We will always leave many regrets on the road of life, hope to start over. But unfortunately, humans today are still unable to turn back time, unable to reverse what has happened. Missed is missed. It's over. It's really over. Maybe what we need to do is not reverse time. It's about valuing the present. Cherish the person who can always be by your side. In this way, we can have the greatest respect for time itself.